Thanks.
Okay, you got a minute?
Yeah, I got a minute for you.
Okay, so I left some messages with Eddie.
Yep.
He hasn't come back to me. I've told when he rings back, I'm going to say to him, well, he needs to front up with some major cash, or this is going to end badly.
Yeah, no, I really wanted him in the court so he can talk to the judge in Hamilton, and that's the only way to get it out of him because, the sooner the better because I'm ready for it. And what's the next move you're going to do?
Okay, so the next move will be I'm going to ask you, I need, what the lawyer's going to do is ask me, I need A to Z of what happened and when it happened.
Okay, what happened was, Eddie...
can you send that to me in an email so we can use it for the legal paperwork?
Okay, so I'll make it simple so that's not around the boundary bush so that you can go straight into it. And it was to get him to front up. Did he pinch the money or not? Or that's the first instance. And that's what I needed him to front up. If he says he didn't pinch it, then that makes it a bit more work to do because I can prove that he did pinch it because how would you get that much money from something that got shown no work? You see, it's just like that. Where did the money come from? The tax department. You've got to do something about it because it's really where the money came from and what for. Who was it for? And that's what I'll write that up so that you can not waste time and get to straight into getting it from him. That's why
no problem. I understand. But if you can put that in like an A to Z and just bullet points, then I'll put it through to the lawyer and then we'll get things moving.
Yeah, no, that'll be all right. I can do that for you.
Very, very much appreciate it. I'll get the girls to send an email so
Yep.
you can reply to that email.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's the way to do it.
Very much appreciate it.
Yeah, we'll do it cleanly, okay?
No problems at all, sir.
Okay, thanks, Richard.
Thank you.
Bye. See, there. Now, that's getting somewhere. And I've got the other camera really on the laptop because this one is slowing down. It's got no more space left in the desktop, so I have to clean a bit of space for it to work because it's slowing down. I had to get rid of everything and down to nothing on the desktop. So I got rid of all my files and everything. Got to start from scratch until I delete a few files out of the computer because it's full right to the top. Okay, so that's Richard in Hamilton, and I'm glad I had everything ready to have him as proof that I did talk to him, and you can see the case coming out that Eddie's got a front up to the lawyer. It's lawyer now. See, lawyer versus lawyer, and the one lawyer against the other because they've got to prove where they got the money from and who put the contract together and what for. What was the money for? Was it for Richard? Was it for Eddie? Not Richard. For Eddie, or was it for a community? And that's what's got to happen. It was here, put together on 4 Elizabeth Street in that office I was in, and he's run off with my information to check to see if it was genuine contract with the Manukau Land Company in Scotland. So that's what it is. It's not a Mitchell family affair here. It's a Manukau and a Wanoa Judge Rogan in Helensville. It's through our families that set that up. Okay? Not the Mitchell family. Okay. That'll do for now. I better get on to things and get this computer cleared out. And there we go. That's the phone call. We're waiting for Rabata and Pare and Jason Hogarth was from Richard. The first move is the lawyer. You're going to send an email to me to make contract between me and Richard and his company, and that's how you do it cleanly. Then I'll pass it on to Robert to scroll up into a court case with the lawyer for Crown Collections to Eddie's lawyer. He's left a message with him. He's got through on his phone, so that's live. Anything on the calls will be tracked to his phone number, to Richard's phone number, because they'll track Eddie now on his phone, because I've given them the phone number. At least you got a phone contact. Instead of going through Sam on 4 Elizabeth Street, because Eddie keeps away from there. He only uses it for an office. He only goes there to pick the rent up, and that's about it, and have a shower, and change his clothes to go down the golf course to the meeting in the St. Andrew's Court golf course, and into the Chinese restaurant in, what's that place? Rototuna. I've got the Chinese shop there in my sights, because they're in the scam. The Chinese restaurant is in the scam. The bottling company, Chinese bottling company, in the scam. All the ones down in Queenstown in the scam with Eddie Mitchell. They're all in the scam together, and they've got the bottled water company selling the Maori land, just like Shane Jones, when it's not their land. Now they're stripping all the Maori lands and the Maori, everything Maori out, so that it ends up with the Pākehās, right? I'm going to put a lien on them all. There's already got a lien, 970 million trillion lien, right over everybody. Everybody has got to pay that bill, and Richard's going to get it and follow through. Go to the court and put it in front of the judge to see which way the judge is going to go. Okay? I don't need to do the court case. I just need to prove that he stole the money. And that's what Richard's there for, to find out whether he stole the money, and that all those shell companies in Australia, where did that money come from? Who's covering him? And whoever's covering him is going to go for a big swing in the jail. And strip them all, strip all the Cook Street, all those people, stripped. If you know what you did, you kicked me and Moai Manukau off their land and off my land. Yeah, that's all. Finished. I'm going to go now. I'm going to do some cleaning up of the computer. Okay, we're going to end the video stream now. It'll be the shortest one I do. It's only 7 minutes. So there, we got the call from Richard. I've got to clean the computer up so that I can have it ready for the next time. And he's good because he's straight up. Okay, I'll wait for the email from him now and going for it out. Okay, bye for now.